Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox jump button. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox jump button, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you will enter to this window of Roblox. When you find this page, you will enter to click for stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and don't click here clear data because that can make a lot of problems on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.